Hi, welcome to the walk. Today's walk covered about 18 kilometers, commencing from WuKauTang and ending in Luk Keng. This route took us through Sam A Chuen, LaiChiWo, SoLoPun, and YungShueAu. There is no shortage of picturesque scenes in this walk. A few old village ruins on the way make this route somehow charming. Some structures were hardly recognized, while some remained pretty intact. Glad to see some restoration works undergoing in this visit. From WuKauTang minibus terminus, a few minutes along WuKauTang Road got us to Double Haven's Country Trail entry point. We picked a relatively flat path from here to LaiChiWo, beyond which trails to SoLoPun and YungShueAu were a bit undulating. A touch of autumn color. It's December after all. This historic site of Communist Party of China in the War of Resistance in Hong Kong's signboard caught our eyes. Don't recall seeing it in our previous walks. I see. It was only put up in September this year. Here is another one. This is the former site where WuKauTang meeting of the Dongjian columns was held. Miu Sam stream, a popular photo spot. Let's check it out. Whoa, beautiful scenery along the river. Looks like we got to the Red Rock area. Sam A Wan, beautiful scenery on both sides of this path. The entrance of SamAChuen is one of my favorite photo spots of this route. Lai Chi Wo is about an hour away. Lai Chi Wo Village is a Hakka village with over 300 years of history, one of the largest and best preserved Hakka village. 9 rows of village houses are arranged along the mountainside, surrounded by walls, backed by a feng shui forest, and facing YungShueAu Marine Park. It is also part of the Hong Kong UNESCO Global Geopark. For hundreds of years, the natural environment surrounding the village has been well looked after, resulting in a scenic area with a diverse ecological environment and rich biodiversity. Here we come, LaiChiWo, full of mangroves. Been here several times, a couple of times by ferry. No ferry today, so everything is expected to stay closed. We didn't plan to spend much time here today, just for a quick snack break. New facility. Looks good. After a short rest, we set off to SoLoPun and YungShueAu. A bit rough on certain sections. You will readily see. Established in the mid-Qing dynasty, SoLoPun was a branch of the Hakka Wang's clan. Similar to other villages in the Sha Tao Gok area, most SoLoPun villages migrated overseas or moved to urban areas in the 1960s to 1970s. In the hope of reviving SoLoPun, villagers have volunteered to clean up the vegetation and replant hundreds of mandarin trees in the village since 2007. Every Lunar New Year, villagers would return to SoLoPun for refurbishments and decorate the village with new moon day. The red couplets make the whole area look warmer. YungShueAu is a 350-year-old Hakka settlement. The self-sustaining coastal village once thrived on its distinctive landscape of dammed bays, with school and pier. Since becoming deserted, it has been known for its picturesque scenery, banyan and folded houses, and abundant barracks. Glad to see some restoration works here. Huge houses in this village. Abundant barracks isn't surprising, given its border location. Interesting. It takes about 45 minutes walk from here to Luk Keng along the coast, a picturesque and pleasant trail. This left turn leads to Kuk Po, Lo Wai. We skip it this time. Next week's leader plans to walk through Kuk Po, Lo Wai from Luk Keng, so we will wait. After all, it has taken us longer than expected. Better get going. Beautiful. The sun is setting. Makes perfect pictures. We covered about 18 kilometers in nearly 6 hours, with the highest altitude reached 132 meters and aggregated elevation gain of 243 meters. Rest and refreshments at our favorite cafe has always been the bonus of our walks. What's more today is the celebration of the 80th birthday of today's leader. Cheers! Hope you enjoyed the walk. Have a great day ahead.